which are the most hot and happening prints of this year 2021. Hello everyone, I'm Archana Shankar. I'm a designer, stylist and an image consultant. So if anyone of you are new here, please consider subscribing and do not forget that bell icon. And I'm so glad that you could join me here today in this video. So we are going to discuss today about prints which are hot and happening for this year. Now we all love our planes, but we cannot do without our prints. Because many a time what we do is we mix these prints with our planes and pull out some of those beautiful, amazing looks. So let's discuss a little bit more on prints. So before that, I've already done a video on colors for this year, and also I've done a video on the fabrics for this year 2021. So if anyone of you not seen it, please go check it out here and let's discuss prints. So number one on the list is polka dots. Yes, we just love our polka dots, and polka dots have been with us for so long, and we just cannot get rid of them. They keep coming in, going out, and coming in, going out, and coming in. So we have these polka dots in many formats. First of all, we have them on saris, we have them on dresses, we have them on scarves, interesting scarves, and these polka dots are so reminiscent of the 80s, but we still want to have them in our wardrobe. Now men also could use the polka dots, not in those big formats but as tiny dots. Even tiny dotted shirts are used as a semi-formal. Number two on the list is plaids and checks. Now again, plaids and checks are a print which can never leave us. I mean, we leave them for some time, but they keep coming back in different formats and different avatars and different color combinations. And plaids look so brilliant on garments like a blazer, on a shirt. You know, think about the cowboy shirts, and on skirts, very smart skirts. So we love our plaids, and they are back with a bang. And about the checks, yes, again, checks is something which we cannot leave them for long. They are also back, and now this time they are back in very different formats. Like, you know, there could be different sizes of checks, or there could be different color blocks of checks. So they have come back in a different avatar. And I would say, why not try a plaid or a check blouse for a sari? That is not something which you see generally common, but I think it would be very smart and very interesting, and you could also wear it as a formal attire. Number three on the list is watercolors. Yes, you heard it right. The name of the print is watercolors, and it's a close relative of the tie-dye. Now, tie-dye, all of us are very familiar. We Indians are so familiar with and in love with our tie-dyes. But these prints are not exactly a tie-dye. They have sort of a blotchy, bleeding edges. But they look very similar to a tie-dye, but they they could remind us of the actual watercolor effect. When you paint watercolor, you know how the color bleeds into each other and then tends to make shapes. So this is exactly like that, and these watercolor prints have come back with vibrant colors, and they have this beautiful pastel colors and different bright colors coming together. So it's a sight to see these watercolors in prints. Number four on the list is florals. Yes, florals are always there in our wardrobe. So the florals that have come back in 2021 are slightly different from the ones we have seen before. There are mainly three categories. One is ethereal, and number two is pressed flower, and number three is roses. So when you say ethereal, these are flowers which look like as if you find those flowers in those paintings and drawings. You know, they have again bleeding edges, and they are like not so clear. You know, they have that very random forms and bleeding into each other sort of a picture. Now number two, which is the pressed flower. As you know, the pressed flowers that you see on those papers, you know, there are these papers with pressed flower, the actual flower which is pressed onto the flower. So it is that flat layout. So that kind of a print is a pressed flower, which looks very vintage and very classy. And number 3 are the roses. Roses have not been in the scene for quite a long time now, but a rose, as you all know, is such a pretty flower, such with all the petals, and so they are making a comeback on saris, and that too in huge prints. And you can also see them on tops, on t-shirts and whatnot. But for men, I don't know how many of you guys would be very comfortable experimenting a rose, but then some of you who are really vibrant can definitely experiment with a rose print. Number 5 on the list is pattern contrast. Strong contrast in lines and patterns are a key to the spring summer print. Now, when you look at these prints, you have different patterns which could be contrasting to each other. There could be lines, there could be forms, which there could be a curvy linear lines, but you cannot predict what is going to be placed next to one another. They all come juxtaposed to each other and create such an illusion. It's very unexpected, the way the prints, the patterns play, and that is the beauty of it, that you cannot predict what is going to come and expect the unexpected. Pattern contrast comes in black and white, and they make a strong statement. And think about them coming in such bright different colors. They make an even greater statement. Next on the list is twisted geometry. The name itself creates such a vibe. Think about geometry, all those squares and circles and triangles and hexagons, and then think about them as twisted. They really take your breath away because they create such a vibe. And imagine all these forms coming in different bright colors put together and then twisted. So it just blows you off because they create such an illusion. And when it comes in such bright colors, it sort of creates a psychedelic vibe about the whole thing. So probably it is meant for those courageous ones. And if the colors are little subtle, then I guess everybody can wear it. But then go out and experiment these things, guys. The last but not the least is digital skins. What's that? It's nothing but animal prints, but basically they are made to look like skin, and they have such a pixelated, such digital effect. The ones which have come back or which have made an appearance in the scene now have got blotchy, again bleeding edges and blurry effect that you can't really make out what exactly is that. So they look really beautiful, they look deep and strong. And another animal print which is making the news is the Western inspired cow print. Yes, they are all over the place now. They are so interesting. They generally appear in whites and some tones of browns generally, and it is seen in, again, all sorts of garments and accessories. They're seen on skirts, blazers, bags, shoes, purses and whatnot. So they are very interesting and a very refreshing change from the usual animal prints that we have been seeing. I believe you like this video about the prints, and I strongly suggest that guys, you should go out and experiment these prints in this year. It will make a refreshing change to your wardrobe. And if you have liked this video, please like and share. And those of you who have not subscribed yet, should I say again, subscribe right away, and do not forget the bell icon. So I'll see you soon. Till then, wear your happy prints, laugh a lot, be very optimistic about the future. I know it's tough, but let's hold on. It's probably just a couple of months before we can be free again. So I'll see you soon. Signing off, Archana Shankar.